waterfalls can be a beautiful thing. They can be a place of refreshing. They can be a place of sustenance. I want you to visualize yourself standing under a waterfall with crystal clear water flowing over you. It can be cleansing. But to get to a waterfall, often you need to push through forestation. You need to walk across slippery rocks. You may have had to climb a mountain or a hill. You have potentially risked twisting ankles to get to this waterfall. Nobody gets to the waterfall of my wisdom without a journey to recount. Nobody comes to the wisdom that flows forth through my prophetic messengers without first having pushed through and past the obstacles, without having climbed a mountain or two. And so I want you to honor one another as prophetic messengers, and be sure to uplift one another as you share my truth, whatever way that comes. My prophetic messengers have different styles, and that is my intention, because it takes a different voice to reach one lost soul to what it might take to reach another lost soul. And so I want you to know in this season that whatever style I gave you, it is correct. And in time you will find your audience. You will find the audience that connects with you. You will find the audience that can receive your message. And as I connect audiences with their prophetic messengers, I touch the audience so that they can receive the revelation that I intend from the words that flow forth from my prophetic messengers. So go out full force. Don't hold back. Deliver the messages that I give to you. And know that when they fall on the ears that I intend, they will be heard, they will be received, they will be recorded, and they will be understood. The words I speak through you are an activation of people's lives, and people's livelihoods depend on what you are saying. It's critical in this season that you speak my words with a confidence that overcomes adversity. Not every prophetic word is for every person. Take every word before the Lord. Prophetic words are not intended literally. This video does not offer expert advice. If you would like to sow a seed, invest in original art, buy prints, or connect to a thriving prophetic community, use the link in the description box below the video. If this video blessed you, you might like to share, like, and subscribe. Holy Father, I thank you for placing this video before those you intend to receive it. Amen.